Today, we're in a hospital clinic where a family is consulting the doctor about their baby. Thank you for bringing your son. We've run the tests and diagnosed him with a rare disease called Tay-Sachs. Can you explain what this disease is? Of course. Tay-Sachs belongs to a subgroup of inherited disorders called lysosomal storage diseases. This subgroup, the GM2 gangliosidoses, contains both Tay-Sachs and Sandhoff disease. They all feature lysosome malfunction.
What is a lysosome?
They're specialized compartments found in our cells. Lysosomes act as waste and recycling centers, containing enzymes that digest large molecules.
What happens when lysosomes stop working?
Waste builds up and leads to symptoms. GM2 diseases are caused by defects in hexosaminidase A and B, enzymes that break down the fatty molecule GM2 ganglioside that accumulates in both diseases.
Our son can no longer sit or crawl and has developed an exaggerated reaction to loud sounds. Are these typical symptoms?
Yes, these diseases affect the brain and the spinal cord. Children gradually lose motor skills, their growth slows, and they can develop vision or hearing impairment. Later, seizures may occur. A characteristic symptom of Tay-Sachs is the development of a macular cherry red spot in the retina. Our son's development stopped at 6 months and has been regressing. Is this also typical? Yes, Tay-Sachs is the most common of the GM2 gangliosidoses. Its infantile form presents around 6 months of age, but other forms can present in childhood, adolescence, or adulthood.
You mentioned that these diseases are inherited. Can you tell me more?
We have 2 copies of our genes, one from each parent. GM2 diseases are autosomal recessive. Children are only affected if they inherit a mutant copy from both parents. The probability of this is 1 in 4 for each pregnancy. Our genes carry instructions for making proteins. A mutant gene will result in non-functioning proteins. A genetic test can distinguish these diseases. This is how we diagnosed your son. What treatments are available? Currently, we can only manage symptoms. For example, medication can treat seizures. Physiotherapy and nutritional support can also help.
Is there any further support? Are there any other families we can contact and connect with?
Yes, there are several excellent patient support organizations that focus on GM2 and can provide expert clinical advice, mental health and well-being support, opportunities to connect with other patients, information on the latest research and clinical trials, opportunities to participate in research studies. This is reassuring. Thank you for explaining everything. We'll certainly get in touch with the patient organizations as soon as we get home. Please take part in a short survey and provide your feedback. Then click on the links to access support organizations. This video was made possible through funding from the Wellcome Trust. Together, we can make a difference.